Hello, thanks for dropping in. Today we're going to do something a little different. And I know as much as I'm trying to get rid of things, sometimes, well, you know, things happen. So we are going to unbox a VIC-20 that has arrived in the mail. And in looking at its box and such, and seeing definitely the thunk that it has taken, I'm wondering how this is going to go. So, with great care, go at it with the scissors. And when we open it up, oh good, I see some level of bubble wrap, but not a whole bunch. And, look, it's a Datasette and instructions. Anyway, as I said, I'm trying not to get things, but things happen. So here is a Datasette that looks to be in good cosmetic shape. We'll see. Here are here's the instructions. I'll need them. And here is an RF modulator. I'll test this. There are still people out there who do hook up to TVs. Of course, the Commodore 64 had the RF modulator inside. Ooh, here. An original Commodore video cable, or RCA to RCA. It's funny, I have never seen these ends with this little lip on them in any cable except from Commodore. Now, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist, just haven't seen it. Oh, look. An original Commodore joystick, which they often break. They're just plastic inside. And I remember hearing a story Bill Hurd told, and I don't know if I heard it in person or if I heard it online, but they'd come out with some joystick and he thought it really wasn't as robust as it should be. And, hello Penny, and you know, they're in this meeting and some uppity somebody says, oh well, you know, it's designed, like as in it's done. Anyway, so they continue with the meeting, but then not long after, in the midst of the meeting, you hear this snap because Bill Hurd has gone to it to give it a little bit of a test. Now, I think he did say it took a little more effort than what he thought, but still, even though it was designed, it wasn't designed well. Anyway, I don't think it was this kind of joystick, because everybody knows they're not designed well. Anyway, what else do we have here? The best VIC Commodore software. Ooh, cleared out for 99 cents. And here is a manual. So underneath some cardboard, we have a 2-prong power supply. So one would think that this VIC-20 is an original, old, somewhat dirty, but not bad, 2-prong power switch. Power switch seems okay. The keys are all here. I'm not set up to be able to test it at this moment, at this juncture. Made in Canada. Anyway, so there we have. Oh, wait. Two cartridges. Jupiter Lander. Cosmic Cruncher. And I think the Jupiter lander still has, oh yes it does. It has the original plastic protective. It's funny because after a while, which is now like 40 years, the original plastic protector makes it look like crap. But when you pull it off, kind of like the warranty sticker, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Although they're a little, maybe they're still a little stuck there. No, seems okay. Anyway, so yes, we have a VIC-1907 Jupiter lander and Cosmic Cruncher. It does not have its plastic. It would need a little tidying up. So yes, as I have said, I have enough. I don't need no more. But things happen. Even though I try not to let them happen. But sometimes it's okay. Anyway, I will assess this. I will document this. I will see about this. As I say, things happen. Like, just in the corner here is the blue screen full of keyboard PET that, of course, is a recent acquisition. And should I have got it? I don't know. Probably not. But the price was attractive, and it was a rare machine. Something that I had not seen before. And so, I was curious. Penny? Where are you, Penny? Penny, Penny, Penny. Come on up, Penny. There's room. Penny, 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 Penny. Come on. Here, Penny. I'll move. Penny, come on up. Penny does not like to be lifted, so I'm not going to. Penny, come here. There's room. There's room here. Penny. But sometimes she doesn't feel like jumping. Goodbye, Penny. Goodbye, Penny. Goodbye, Penny. Oh. Hello, Penny. Or sometimes she feels like jumping. In her own way. Yes, I know. And certainly, I have no doubt that she is missing her long-lost brother and partner in crime, Sheldon. Hi, Penny. I miss him too. Yes, pets don't live long enough, and in some cases, people don't live long enough. You okay, Penny? You going away? You coming back? Hello, Penny. All right. So, as I've said before, I have to get the desk on the other side of this room cleared up, and I'm going to get on that. And I've got a bunch of things to do, and I'm going to do them. I am. Because what I think I'm going to, as I've been working on the pets and such, but I will be thinning out the herd. I'm thinking I want to gather the pets all together, and the only way I can do that is to make some adjustments in here. For example, the table over there must be tidied, as must many things here, must be cleared off, of course documented before they're put away, and then I can, hello Penny, 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 then I can see about what is what, and gathering the pets together. And how many pets are there? Well, I'm not exactly sure. I would say definitely more than 10. I don't think as many as 25. But you know what? Once in a while I find one that I didn't know I had, that I forgot about. These are the only 8K pets that I'm... What was that, Penny? Oh, that I'm aware of, that I have. I have some other small screen models, and big screen, and 4032, and 8032, and you know. Okay, Penny. Why don't you go find Andrew? There you go. Bye-bye. Anyway, so, today it was opening a VIC-20. This will, of course, mean I need to test it, and figure it, and sort it, and all that, and document it. And, well, we'll see. Maybe I will sell it to another person. Maybe I will sell chips out of it. Because I know that, you can't find chips here and there. You just can't. So the only way for a VIC-20 to save another VIC-20 is by organ transplant. In many, many cases. Not all cases, but a lot of cases. Nope. And Penny is gone. So, tonight, the Toronto Maple Leafs will play. They may in fact win the first series since maybe it's 2006 or something like that. Maybe. They seem to have good chemistry. They seem to have depth. That is important, depth. Because when their big scorers aren't scoring, somehow their lesser known players and their senior citizens have a way of finding the back of the net. So we shall see. Anyway, thanks for being here. I'm going to post this today, and I suspect I will post it before the game, which is, I think, 7 o'clock Toronto time. Anyway, another VIC-20. Life is good. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.